Good afternoon, children. Today we'll start our work in a new drawing book, that is a Arty and Crafty Scratch color shower book. With that book, what you have to take the things I will tell you now. Just you have to take all the things and keep ready for today's work, children. First, you have to take a drawing book. With that, you have to take a plain drawing book, scale, pencil, eraser, and a black gel pen and a black sketch pen. Both you have to take. Black gel pen and black sketch pen you have to take. After taking all these things, open new page, draw a border, write down today's date and keep ready for today's work, children. After drawing border, you have to write down today's date first year, then write down the topic design. Okay, then in your drawing textbook, you have to open page number 49. In the page number 49, children, today I will show you this work. Okay, after showing this, what you have to do, you have to see this drawing. This also you have to do in your drawing book. This is your homework. Now see, children, to do the drawing, what I did the 3 centimeter box. Okay, you should also draw a 3 centimeter box. Then here I will start to do the drawing. Just you have to observe that. Okay, after that I will show you one small part. According to that, you have to complete whole picture, children. Okay. From which box I will start the work, just you have to observe. Only outline you should do with the black color sketch, children. Remaining work you should do with the gel pen. See, children, only small part I am showing here. In the last class also we did same related to like this only, no? So it is easy to do for you. See, children, this upper portion I am showing here. After doing like this, what you have to do, you have to start to trace that, start to fill the black color inside the design. See children, like this you should cover. Okay, you have to use the black gel pen only. Don't use the sketch pen. If you use the sketch pen, how it will look, I will show that one also. See here, this is the black pen line. If you use the sketch pen, how it will look, see. We can easily recognize that whether you use the sketch pen or your gel pen. Okay, then once you complete the upper portion, then you have to observe the picture in your drawing book. The same thing you should follow here. Okay, the same thing, full design they given in the book. The same thing you have to see and you have to follow here. And while doing here the tree part, see here, like this you should draw 2 lines. Then you should cover that one with a black gel pen like this. Okay, after that one circle I am showing here. Like this you should do. Then this middle part you should fill with the black gel. How to do the circle I am showing here. How many circles will be there, you have to see. According to that you have to do, children. Any of the full design they given already in the book. For that reason I am showing only the small part. See children, circle you should do like this. Okay, then here I will show one design. Okay, here what are the design they given, just you have to observe that. Like this you should do. Then the middle circle you should fill with the black. Then outer layer you should fill with the black. Then here they given like this cross, no, that you can do like this. You should see the design here. You should see the design, whatever design they given, the same patterns they are given. Design they given, no, the same thing you can see here. Whatever the pattern they given here, the same pattern they given here also, here also. You have to observe that same like that. I am not telling that exact, but don't change the design. According to that you have to do the drawing, children. Okay. But by doing the pencil line, just you have to, how I showed now the outer lines here I did the pencil lines. You can see the pencil lines now. Here for this design, just I am doing like this outer line. How much I need the black work, that one I am doing with the black. Remaining after the black lines and all over, I will rub this pencil line. You all should also do same like that. All these days we did the design, okay, no, same like that. You have to do the outer line with the black color pencil first you do with the pencil. Then wherever you want the extra dark tone, no, that one you have to do with the pen. Then you have to rub all the pencil lines. Okay children, at the last you should rub all the pencil lines, and don't leave the pencil lines in your book. Is it clear, children? While doing leg also, you have to observe carefully. You have to do this work, and the next, whatever the fish work they given, that also you should complete in your drawing book. This is homework for you, children. Only which is the homework? This is the homework work, and this is the classwork work. Okay, children. Why I given the fish for the homework means almost you know how to do the fish drawing, and here very easy texture work they given, easy design they given, so you have to do that one in your drawing book with the for the homework. Okay, children. But while doing, you have to draw 3 centimeter boxes, then only you have to start to do the drawing, children. Okay. And one more thing, children, while doing the work, if you have any doubt, you can call me at any time and clarify your doubt, children. Okay. Thank you.